It's 2021 and we're still killing a ton of trees when it comes to real estate. This is a 3-inch ring binder with your contract, your disclosures, and your loan closing package. If you print out your entire package, this is what you're going to get. Hey, I'm Rebecca Larson, real estate attorney at Your Home Legal. I help you make sense of the trees that you just killed. Okay, let's say you didn't kill a bunch of trees printing out your contract and all the disclosures. Chances are you're probably using DocuSign. But the problem is you don't know what's in there. DocuSign and other e-signature platforms are set up to help you skip through the contract. It'll bring you from one signature to the next, to the next, to the next. And unless you scroll through and read the whole thing, you're not going to know what you're signing. So whether you're printing out every single piece of paper that you received during this transaction, or you're clicking through on DocuSign, you need somebody there to help navigate and help you understand what it is you're signing, because your story matters. Everything about your life matters to this transaction. It's not just buying a piece of property. It's not just signing a piece of paper. Your story really does matter. And working with an experienced real estate attorney can help your story be told and help make sure that your assets are being protected. If you want help making sense of this mess, you'll want an experienced real estate attorney by your side the entire way. We help you understand the contract, all of the disclosures, all of your HOA documents if you have them, and your loan agreement. If you want help getting through this process and having your story told, give us a call at the number below.